"37-year-old Chris Sowles of ABC's 19th season of The Bachelor has pleaded guilty for leaving the scene of an Iowa car crash in April 2017. Mosher, who died as a result of the accident. Sowles did reportedly call 911 regarding the accident and identified himself over the phone. He also attempted to provide CPR to Mosher while the ambulance was on its way. However, Sowles did not provide the registration number of his vehicle and left the scene prior to the arrival of law enforcement, a violation of Iowa State Code. He did not agree to leave his home until several hours later, when the police returned with a search warrant. He was then arrested and charged with fleeing the scene of an accident. On Tuesday, the reality television star submitted a conditional guilty plea to the Iowa District Court. Breaking: Chris Sowles pleads guilty, sentencing scheduled for January 2019. Com LWUH6GPZHJ, KWWL, at KWWL, November 13, 2018. In addition to the conditional guilty plea, Sowles went on to recount the events of the night of the crash. He admitted that, though he identified himself to 911 dispatch, he did not provide his vehicle registration number to law enforcement officers. By way of factual basis, I hereby state that on or about April 24, 2017 in Buchanan County, Iowa, I was driving a vehicle that was involved in an accident resulting in serious injury to another person. I knew the accident occurred and knew it resulted in an injury to another person. Though I immediately stopped, called 911 and identified myself, and rendered reasonable aid to the injured person, including requesting an ambulance and administering CPR, while the ambulance was en route, I acknowledge I did not provide the registration number of the vehicle I was driving. Initially, Sowles had entered a plea of not guilty to the charge in May of 2017. Sowles' legal team filed a motion to dismiss the failure to remain charge. Their request was later denied in January, before reaching the Supreme Court. Sowles will face sentencing in January of 2019. Chris Sowles is facing an aggravated misdemeanor charge for leaving the scene of a car crash that left one dead.